Hey lovelies, it's Shayla and we are back with Hung One and Boss Collective, and today we're going to be doing part 4 of Be Your Own Resource. These are the guide to making a perfect description for your YouTube channel. Oh boy, I'm gonna snitzel. Snitzel. Okay, anyways, so for this, I have a YouTube video template, and if you guys are interested in getting a copy of this, it'll be within my Notion template and also my course, so you'll have it as a resource without having to rewatch this video a million times. However, the idea of writing descriptions can be really daunting at times, and so I broke it into 6 sections. So section 1, describe your video with like 2 to 3 keywords, and also make sure it's like 2 sentences. Section 2, tell the viewers what to watch next on your channel, add a link. YouTube's been changing things, and external links show up on the main page now, but I'm pretty sure you can still add video links for your videos. So section 3 is paste in a subscribe link. So I'm also not sure if that's still allowed, but they've been changing a lot of things with links recently, so I would definitely check up on that. But normally I've seen a lot of people just do that so that you're able to subscribe. You can also, in your video, in the bottom right side, you can have a thing that says subscribe and they can click on it. Add important links. Like I said, that's more for the main page. And section 5 is create a list of video timestamps. So chapters are timestamps to help the audience be able to actually go through and find what they want without having to, like I said, rewatch the video 4,000 times. Also, there's certain things that maybe like they want to remember, but they don't want to rewatch the entire video. So makes it easier for them and easier for you to get more of that click-through rate. Section 6 is adding YouTube hashtags. So hashtags are really important because it helps with keyword research, and also just helps you be put in certain rank searches. So basically, you can also add emojis in front of each thing. So yeah. Just looking through mine. So some things that I do that are special to my channel is I'll list all my other channels, and I will do frequently asked questions. So like how old I am, where I'm from, am I married, what are my cats' names, what languages, editing software, when did I start creating YouTube videos, what's your favorite drink, food. Just give them a little bit of an idea, if they're brand new, of who I am and what I've accomplished. Then I have a business email so that sponsors can contact me. I have Amazon wishlist store, and I share my links to my courses and my Notion template. And then I do an FTC disclaimer to just basically for affiliate links. If you're putting affiliate links in, then it helps you with liability reasons. So this one is very simple, and you can always look at other popular creators' descriptions. As you grow in your YouTube channel, descriptions won't seem as important, but if you get used to doing things a certain way, like you get into the habit of making sure that you do the descriptions the way they're supposed to, it'll just be second nature and your videos will rank higher. So some people are really lucky, but other people have to work really hard, and this is one of the ways that can help you if you're struggling to grow. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you've watched the other 4 videos I've made, recently, and I'm excited to make part 5 very soon. I was waiting for the lighting to get better because there's been a lot of smoke because of the fires in BC. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.